Hmm. Okay, so this is the interface for RStudio when you might have installed it. Okay.
Yes, yeah.
When you will just open it, so it will look like this. This is the panel 1. This is the panel 2, panel 3, and panel 4. So in the panel 1, it is called script, where when we when we import our data file, data set, so when we import it, it will reflect here in the panel 1. Okay. So this is a kind of script. We can even write the codings here also. But when we do enter here, for example, I'm writing one code, enter, second code, enter, third code, it will not get executed. So panel 1 acts like a text file. We are just saving our codes here. So this is how we can work. But we generally don't use it for the coding because we have this panel 3 to write the code. The difference between panel 1 and panel 3 coding are, in panel 1, when we are writing the code and when we are when we are putting the enter, nothing is executing. No results are coming up. It's like we are saving the codings. Wherein when we are just putting one code, a single code in panel 3, and when we are simply doing enter, it will execute. So this is the major difference. Okay, in the panel 2, from here we can import our data set. Okay, if I just go on to this, we get from text, from Excel, from SPSS, SAS, Stata. So different ways we have to import the data set. Okay, generally we work on Excel. So I'll show you this Excel part, but if you have SPSS output or data set saved, so you can even install it, import it. But for every, like for SPSS, whether it's SAS, whether it's Stata, whether it's Excel, for every type of file, we needed different packages here to install. Okay, in the panel 4, in the panel 4, we have files. These are the files which you have in your system. Okay, those files. Then we have a plots. Whatever the graphical representation we are showing up will be reflecting here under the plots. Then we have packages. Here we have multiple of packages. Okay, so if we want to look for any of the package, we can simply write it here. Once we write here, we'll do enter, or by default it will come. So if this is enabled, that means that package is in your library, and if this is not enabled, means you have to require that package. First thing, if for example you are writing ABC package there and nothing is coming up, no results found, so that means the package, that particular package is not installed in your system. This is clear?
Yes.
Okay. After these packages, we have a help. Anything, any kind of help, we can get it here. Anything. There are two ways to get help. One from here and one I'll show you while doing the coding. There's a different way of help as well. Okay, fine. So this is all about the interface. Now the important part is here, tools. When we go to tools, can you see the drop down?
Yes. I selected read Excel. And I don't change the library path.
No, yeah, no need, because that's a by default. Just simply click on install.
Yes, I'm getting some messages on the first panel.
All those are syntaxes here. So in some syntax are coming in red color also.
Yes.
So that is not an error. Yeah, that is not an error. It is just RS speaking with us. It is telling us this is where it is getting this package from this place. So we just don't have to focus on it. Once it will be done, it will give you successfully installed or something related to that. Let me know when it's done.
Sure. Yes, now I can see actually I see only 3 panels. Let me enlarge. 3 panels, and on third panel, basically it shows
Can you share
that
your
the
screen so that I can see and guide you? I'll stop sharing mine and I'll give you the access to share.
Yes, I have seen.
It's installed. So it is 3 screeners here because you click on this. Can you see two small squares together on this?
Yeah.
Yes, click on this.
Okay.
Right. So this is how we just minimize that. Okay. Now
it's read Excel is.
Yeah. Now this is there in your library. Okay. So whenever we require that package, we go with you write below library read Excel, you write require. In the third pane, right? Require.
Here, the first panel, right? Script.
In the third, sir. Third. No, not this one.
Console. Search one.
Console. So this is the fourth.
This one, environmental is
can you see
or
me?
no here?
Can you see? Yes, yes. This one. Right? Require. See. Once you write, it will give you a drop down. So we have the require base. Just click on it.
First one. Okay.
Click on it. In the brackets, here we have to write the argument. What we require, the read Excel, the package. So you write read Excel. It will give you. Just delete now. Excel. Just delete Excel. Now double click on it. Right. Now simply you can put enter.
Sorry. I made a mistake. Just
no problem. No.
Press, I get out of bracket, right? Press yes, right arrow and then enter.
That means this package is now right there in your, when you use Excel, so it will show you. Okay, now.
Whether it's not attached, does it show the red syntax error or yes. something like that?
Yes. Oh. If there is some error, it will give us the red syntax. If not, then it is fine. So 3 things we have done: IVA, import, view, and attach. Okay. Now I'll take you to the Excel file just to make you understand what it is. Okay. Since already we have seen there were 17 variables. So the variables are knowledge, motivation, success. Okay, this is the data. Now the hypothesis or the research problem is, have you ever seen a SM model?
I have read one or twice, but not actually understood.
No, just a graphical representation. Have you ever seen?
Yes. It's looks like critical path diagram.
Because I'm drawing it now, so if you did not know, I would have explained. Okay, so this is the knowledge. Knowledge leads to success. This is the first hypothesis. Second hypothesis is what we have: motivation. Motivation leads to success. So this is the basic model. This is the causal model. Okay. Whether we work in Smart PLS also, we manually have to draw the model, because model we draw on the basis of our hypothesis. They will not draw. Okay. So we draw on the basis of our hypothesis. This is a causal model. When we talk about mediation effect, what does it mean? first motivation go to knowledge and knowledge go to success. So there are one hypothesis,